So that's it for my vid. So that's it. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. How are you? Kamusta na kayong lahat? I'm back after a long week. It has been a very busy week for me because I had something going on with my visa and stuff. So I'm back with another video. And as I have mentioned in my last video, guys, I have all this stuff that I got from the Philippines. And this one is one of them. So here it is. This is the BLK Travels collection from the BLK Cosmetics, of course. Gusto ko siyang i-try since I can't get my hands on the Sunny's Face Fluff Mates yet. But I'll try to get it for you guys if you still need a review on that kasi I think marami na rin nag-review niyan. So, if you want me to review that one, I'll try my best to get it for you. Write down on the comment below if you want me to review that one for you, okay? First pop, guys, ang ganda ng box. Ang cute niya talaga. Siya yung tipo na, alam mo yung box na i-display mo. I-display mo lang siya sa shelf kasi ang cute niya. Colors are very retro to me. It's very cute. The packaging is nice. I like the packaging. And of course, this is a collector's edition, guys. Kaya hindi ko talaga siya itatapon. Okay, let's open this one up. Here we go. And this is 3 boxes inside one big box. Ganun, big ba siya? And it's so very cute, guys. See? Ang ganda, no? And sa likod ng box, it says, it is made in Taiwan. It has the name of the manufacturer. It is cruelty-free. And it says that BLK has partnered with the World Wildlife Fund for Nature and will be donating a portion of the proceeds from each BLK Travels set sold. So it means, guys, that if you buy any set, any lipsticks from this collection, it means that a part of that will go to the WWF for Nature. So that's it, guys. Inside, ayan. It has 3 little boxes. Tanggalin natin ito. The box looks like that. Here it is at the back. Alright, so it is the same. Dito rin yung made in Taiwan, manufacturer. And ang laman ng isang lipstick, mini lipstick, is 1.4 grams. So that's 1.4 and 1.4 kasi dalawang lipstick sa isang box. And by the way, guys, I bought this one for 1,047 pesos for the whole set. It means 6 na mini lipsticks, isang set, 1,047 pesos. So, let's open this one. Here. And to open this one, you have to pull this up. There. Ayan, chancharar. Hala, asa yung isa? Ayun, nakatago. Ayan. It will reveal 2 lipsticks in your face. Charot. Ang liit niya, guys. It's really mini. Like, ayan siya. Para siyang size of my thumb. Ayan. If you want more comparison with, here is my regular MAC lipstick. Here's the regular MAC tube. And this is the BLK. So, I'll compare this for you guys. Yan. If you can see that, that's the comparison. Mas malaki pa rin ng regular MAC tube. And this is really tiny. Like, what do you expect? It's a travel lipstick. So, if it says travel lipsticks, ibig sabihin, you just put it inside your purse, inside the pocket of your bag, kasi kailangan maliit. And diba, let's face it, when you travel, you don't want to bring much things with you. You minimize everything as much, diba? I won't talk further. We will go to the arm swatches We will go to the lip swatches and I'll be back. So guys, those are the swatches and I am wearing the shade Hong Kong right now because this is the last shade that I have put on my lips. Okay, so this is definitely a matte lipstick, but this is not a tuggy lipstick. And if I say tuggy, what I mean is, yung, alam mo yung pag may matte lipstick ka and then you swipe it on your lips. Tapos parang sumusunod yung buong pagkatao mo dun sa lipstick kasi super dry ng formula. Hindi po siya ganun. It's okay guys. And nakalimutan ko palang i-show sa inyo kung gaano siya kahaba. Ito siya. Ano bang shade to? Australia. Ayan. Mahaba naman siya guys. So, if you're traveling, okay siya. Hindi naman siguro siya mauubos sa isang buong travel mo. Unless kainin mo yung lipstick. Charot. I like all the colors. Magaganda lahat ng kulay. If you are a Filipina, lahat to masusuot mo kasi maganda lahat ng kulay. From the lightest shade to this Hong Kong shade. And hindi ko pa natitest kung kiss-proof siya. So, ito na. Hindi po siya kiss-proof, guys. So, if ever bet mo makipag no. Wag, kasi hindi po siya kiss-proof. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot do a food and wear test kasi it's already nighttime here. I cannot go out to do the wear test. I already had my dinner early. I cannot eat na kasi late na masyado. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna try to wear it all day and let's see kung how it performs. And tomorrow, kakain ako, syempre, of course, while wearing the lipstick. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to vlog that for you guys. Or if not, I'm just gonna put down in the description box. I-update ko kayo kung ano nangyari sa food and wear test. So, that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. That means so much to me, guys. I will see you on my next video. I love you. Mwah.